My name is Ntswaki Dlamini. I'm from Diepkloof, Soweto, and I'm 31 years old. I first got diagnosed with TB, it was last year. Then was transferred to this hospital because the medication that I was using, I was resisting to most of them. So the only medication I could get for my pre-XDR TB was only here at Sizwe.
When we were treating DRTB patients initially, it was like a long regimen, 24 months, 36 months of treatment with injectables. The mortality was high, the outcome was very low. So that's when Bataclan came into focus. The regimen is now 9 to 11 months duration. So it shortened the period of treatment and this took out some of the toxic drugs like the injectable, which had side effects like severe hearing loss.
By 2015, we noticed that although we were giving these new drugs to the worst patient that would have died under our previous standard of care, they did very well.
If you look at just the outcomes of Bataclan, we saw a significant reduction in mortality of patients. Where we started in the early phases was giving it only to XDR and pre-XDR patients. These patients, potentially only 20% of them had a successful outcome. Now, when they were given Bataclan, it moved to 75% to 80%. And these patients are saying, but I've got XDR and my outcomes are better than a patient who has MDR. And the government saying, based on those outcomes and the data we have, the decision was made that all patients would have access to Bataclan based on the data they had and the outcomes they could demonstrate.
To date, we have more than 20,000 patients in South Africa who have received this drug, Bataclan.
I have a lot of progress since I came here. I can even feel my body, can even run now, I can smile, I can talk like a bit louder. When I got discharged, I want to go back and look for a work and take care of my family.
TB is a curable disease. This is what we are saying. This is what doctors are saying. We need to remove injectable agents from treatment, adopt the newly recommended WHO injection-free regimen. It is better for people.
The fact that we're all at risk, we have automatically a responsibility to make sure that we contribute. If you look at the whole continuum from whether it's the patient, the government, society, we all have a role to play. And I think South Africa is demonstrating that if we work together, you can make that difference.